Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Here is today's kanji. It is read ka or sho in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means to write. It has 10 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like sho. On its own, it is usually ka. A brush in hand, drawing lines onto a page, writing. Now let's write it. 10 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Kaku, kaku means to write. Jisho, jisho means dictionary. And toshokan, toshokan means library. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Hiru read hiru, noon. Ja read mono, person. Notice the small differences. So that's sho, to write. 10 strokes, read ka or sho. Try writing it 5 times today. See you tomorrow.